What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu in today's specific video, guys, and I'm very excited to get into some of this information. We have a new official report from the Robinhood team about some things that are going on with the crypto wallet and how that could affect Shiba Inu. So guys, make sure you watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss when I talk about that. Let's start here though, guys. As you can see, Shiba Inu is once again trending as always with 26.1 thousand tweets, guys, and that was on February 11th. But even then, guys, the current date today, again, Shiba Inu is still trending on Twitter and multiple other social media platforms. And it always seems to be the case that is the case, guys. And you got to wonder why, right? Like, even when Shiba Inu is falling, even when it's dipping and everything, this is a token that continues to employ, I would say, one of the most passionate, one of the strongest, and one of the most, I would say, involved. That was my mic that I just threw off the desk, basically. One of the most well-involved just overall communities in general, guys. And I think it's something to be extremely proud of as a Shiba Inu community holder. And of course, as somebody who is just in general into the coin in general, guys. So give yourself a round of applause. I think it's something to be very excited about. If you haven't already, guys, make sure to join our private Discord, guys. I know the overall cryptocurrency markets are dipping today. Zach and I are likely going to be buying a lot of different projects today on the dip, including Shiba Inu. And if you guys want to find out exactly when we do that, this is the best way to figure that out, obviously, on one-on-one interactions in the Discord and Patreon with us. You also get our daily crypto alerts, which include, of course, buy alerts, includes first look at new cryptos that we're looking into, crypto market strategies and updates, and of course, articles and information that we come across that you might find interesting. So make sure you guys join up if you haven't already, guys. If we overall look at what Shiba Inu is doing right now, we unfortunately did break out of this more bullish kind of bull flag that we were starting to kind of form here on the 6-month chart. Now, again, that isn't the worst thing ever. As you can see, this trend line is still overall intact. However, I do kind of want to close out this overall kind of auto support resistance level, and I'm gonna pull out I'm gonna do it again. Basically, I want to kind of rechart here just to make sure that we're all right, guys. Again, we're still holding very nicely at these higher levels. We did pull back obviously a little bit with that overall crypto market dip. We're starting to consolidate at these levels, but again, be careful here, guys. We're still kind of in uncharted territory at this point. If you look at the overall bigger coins, I'm talking about Bitcoin, I'm talking about Ethereum, these are coins that are still showing a lot of weakness in the overall price action that they are performing with right now. Please keep that in mind. I don't want you guys to all of a sudden freak out if the crypto markets start to dip again when it looks like we're consolidating, and then obviously people buy and they're down in their position, whatever it might be, right? I am personally waiting, but again, guys, a little free game for you guys. If you guys want the rest of that analysis, you guys got to join the private Discord so you know exactly when we're buying Shiba Inu. But of course, other than that, guys, overall cryptocurrency markets down about 3.26% in general. Bitcoin's still above 42,000, which is good. Ethereum, unfortunately, down below 3,000 there. Not exactly the coolest thing in the world, but let's talk some news though, guys. Shiba Inu price volume set to get massive boosts from Brazil exchange listing. So if you guys aren't familiar with what this is referring to, Shiba Inu was just recently listed on a very popular exchange, Foxbit. This is a really popular exchange in Latin America and especially Brazil. Now, apparently, a lot of people seem to believe that the volume is going to significantly go up after we have seen this type of listing, right? This has over 950,000 registered customers, which is a pretty sizable chunk. And what we've seen actually in Latin America, if you look at kind of some of the statistics that have been posted about Shiba Inu, is that there are actually more people in Latin America and countries outside of the US who are a little bit more into Shiba Inu than people even inside of the US. And I think that's something that's really cool, right? Again, if you guys are from any of these Latin American countries, let me know, right? Let me know if you guys like Shiba Inu, if you guys are fans of it, whether you live in, outside of the US, abroad, wherever you might be. I would love to hear your guys' overall thoughts and opinions. But a lot of people seem to think that the volume is going to help Shiba Inu from this listing. Now, unfortunately, guys, that volume, even if it is really big from this listing, guys, it's really not that much. It's not going to cause a huge significant change. And the reason for that is because the overall markets are down. The thing is, guys, when the markets are doing very well and when we're seeing a lot of green price action from Shiba Inu and from Bitcoin, from all these other cryptocurrencies, good news tends to go over much better than it would go in a red market. In a red market, people aren't really looking for news. People are looking for ways to sell. A lot of people are panicking. A lot of people are trying to basically, panic sell, right? They're going to panic sell out of their positions. potentially losing quite a bit of money, guys. So be aware of that, right? Don't panic sell something that you say that you believe in, right? You have to have conviction. You have to have kind of a strong constitution with this kind of stuff. So be aware. Now, again, before we get into the Robinhood stuff, I want to talk about Microsoft, right? Microsoft is something that I've seen a lot of people refer to. A lot of people are like, oh, Microsoft's the next big partnership, because Microsoft has tweeted out this. There are two types of dogs on team meetings. Now, this is pretty cryptic. This could mean a lot of different things, but it seems that even Satoshi himself and a lot of other people are kind of, making this kind of surprised reaction to this. Like, oh my God, what could this mean? Look at Satoshi, right? He posted this GIF of Cardi B kind of going like, what do you mean? So, what could it be? Again, I think that, in my opinion, this might not be in direct relation to Shiba Inu, especially if Satoshi himself isn't even aware of some type of partnership here or anything like that. Again, I think this is in reference to maybe something completely different, guys. Again, let me know in the comments below if you think I'm wrong. I would love to know your guys' thoughts on it. Maybe Microsoft is planning some type of big partnership with Shiba Inu, but it just kind of seems a little bit too far-fetched to be true. Wait, let's talk Robinhood though, guys. This could be too far-fetched to be true. A lot of you guys in our comments below seem to think that. You guys seem to think like, Robinhood's never going to list it. And I actually want to acknowledge this. One take that I've seen really commonly put in our comment section is that we don't need Robinhood, right? Robinhood is actually, they're the ones who need us, which I think that is actually a very valid point at this point. I think that, again, Robinhood is, for the most part, operating at a loss right now, guys. They are not doing very well as far as their overall revenue goes. And if you look at the overall numbers that they've been putting out every single quarterly earnings report, it's just not good, especially in terms of their crypto revenue. Now, adding new cryptos is probably the solution to that. But the problem is they're taking a super just strict and hard step. We don't want to add new cryptos until there's further regulation. But the thing is, every other platform that has added crypto is outperforming them, right? Every single platform. You look at public.com, which, speaking of which, guys, if you want to get a free stock on there that could be worth up to $300 like we did in this video, as you can see right there, hit that first link down in the description below, guys. Sign up and deposit at least $1 when you guys make a new account, and you guys will get some free money, and you could get a free stock that could be worth up to $300, guys. Plus, it's just an amazing brokerage app to be a part of in general, and I think you guys will really enjoy being a part of it. But again, look at Public. Public has listed them, but let's read a little bit about this article. Big event. Robinhood legal executive touts crypto wallets. So we know that their crypto wallet is their first kind of foray into a deeper understanding of the cryptocurrency space and trying to get more people just to kind of get into that overall space and get more people who are wanting to trade crypto onto their platform. As you can see, the rollout of crypto wallets is a big event here at Robinhood. Again, crypto wallets will be first, or what the Robinhood introduced cryptocurrency wallets to the first 1,000 users back in January, just for a little beta test. And of course, now they're going to start rolling it out further and further. Now, again, some Robinhood users, for instance, were able to buy Doge in order to speculate on its volatile price action. But the hotly anticipated feature will make it possible to tip creators and buy products with red hot canine meme coin. Gallagher, who is a former commissioner of the SEC, claims that crypto is a really important asset class to pay attention to, and adding that regulators shouldn't be too harsh on it, which actually is a really cool thing that a former SEC Exchange Commission chair was kind of like, hey, you guys should really actually be a little bit more careful with crypto. I think this is going to change the world. I think this is going to be a very important asset that a lot of people are going to be into. So again, they are rolling out crypto wallets, guys, and I think that this is the pretense, this is the precursor to a listing for Shiba Inu. We all know that this needs to happen first. This needs to happen first. If you look at any other cryptocurrency platform in general, guys, any other stock trading brokerage, guys, a wallet is going to make this process way easier. They're going to be able to add more cryptocurrencies much easier. It's going to be able to transfer Shiba Inu and these decentralized, exchanges a lot easier. You need something, right? You need a kind of home base for that for those tokens to go, right? There's a reason why for a very long time people had the Coinbase wallet, and they would store all kinds of different coins on those wallets, right? We saw Shiba Inu, we saw SafeMoon, we saw all these decentralized tokens before they were listed on any of these centralized exchanges. So keep that in mind, guys. I think that this is the precursor for it. I think that we are going to see a Shiba Inu listing sooner rather than later this year, hopefully in Q2 of 2022, guys. And I think the crypto wallets being finally rolled out is a big sign that something could be coming very soon. Let me know in the comments below if you guys disagree with me. If you agree with me, I would love to know your thoughts as well. Make sure to join our private Discord if you haven't already with the second link down in the description below. Make sure to pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.